Morning children, today I am going to teach you our new grammar book. So this is our new grammar book, Fun with Grammar. Class 1. Today I am going to teach you this book. Okay. So our first lesson of grammar is the alphabet. T-H-E the A-L-P-H-A-B-E-T alphabet, the alphabet. Read these letters. R-E-A-D, read these letters. See, this is capital A. And what is this? This is small a. See, when written like this, they are called capital letters. When we write alphabets like this, then they are capital letters. When we write alphabets like this, then they are called as small letters. See, capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D, capital E, capital F, capital Z, capital H, capital I, capital Z, capital K, capital L, capital M, capital N, capital O, capital P, capital Q, capital O, capital S, capital T, capital U, capital V, capital W, capital X, capital Y and capital Z. See, these capital letters are also known as block letters. These capital letters are also known as block letters, or they are also known as uppercase letters. They are also known as uppercase letters. Okay. So repeat these letters after me. Small a, small b, small c, small d, small e, small f, small z, small h, small I, small j, small k, small l, small m, small n, small o, small p, small q, small r, small s, small t, small u, small v, small w, small x, small y and small z. So these capital letters are called uppercase letters, right? So these small letters are known as lowercase letters or small letters. So how many alphabets we have? How many alphabet we have? We have only one alphabet. In that alphabet, we have how many letters are there in alphabet? There are 26 letters are there in English alphabet. See, we have only one alphabet. Every language has its own set of letters or numbers or whatever. So, we have only one English alphabet. In that English alphabet, we have 26 letters. Okay, we have 26 letters in English alphabet. These are those 26 letters. Okay, you begin your name and surname with capital letters. The other letters in the name are small letters. See, you have to begin your name and surname. What is surname? Surname is nothing but your initial. Okay, your initial. So here they have explained us how to write our name in a proper way. How to write our name in a proper way. You have to begin your name and surname with capital letters. Okay. So for example, they have given two examples, Ashu Gupta and Reena Sen. See, Ashu is a name of a girl. Gupta is her surname. If you see here, A, the starting letter of Ashu is A. So whatever the starting letter of your name should be in capital letter and the remaining are written in small letters. Ashu, and what is her initial? Gupta. So the starting letter of the initial should be right in capital letter. So Z should be capital and the remaining are all of small letters. Okay. So here they have given how to write our name in a proper name. In a proper way. How you have to write your name in a proper order or in a proper way? See, you have to begin your name and surname with capital letters. Okay. And the other letters in the name are small letters. For example, if your name is Reema Sen, you have to write the first letter of your name should be in capital and the remaining letters are in small letter, and the initial of yours should be written, the first letter of your initial should be written in capital letter. So have you understood this? See, you have to begin your name or you have to start your name with a capital letter and the rest of the letters in your name should be small, and you have to use capital letter for writing your surname. The starting letter of your initial should be capital and the rest of letters should be small. Write your mother's name. What is your mother name? You have to write your mother name. How you have to write your mother name? For example, your mother name is Lalita. L should be capital and the rest of letters should be small. And you have to, after that you have to write your initial. How you have to write your surname? The first letter of your surname should be written in capital and the rest of letters should be written in small. So the starting letter of your name should be in capital letter and the starting letter of your surname should be in capital letter, and all the rest of letters should be in small letters. So write your father's name. How you have to write your father's name? Tell me. How you have to write your father's name? The first letter of your father's name should be in capital. For example, I will write one name, Giri. So how I wrote the first letter of my father's name? I wrote in capital letter. I wrote using capital letter and rest of letters should be small, and you have to use capital letter for starting letter as starting letter of your initial. Okay, as starting letter of your initial. See again, write your name. You have to write your name. Okay, how you have to write your name? You have to write your name using capital letter as starting of your name and rest should be in small, and also you have to use capital for writing your surname. The starting of your surname should be capital and the starting of your name should be capital, and rest of the letters should be in small. So see, they have given us a exercise. Write the small letter for each capital letter in the box given below. So you have already learnt capital ABCDs and small ABCDs, right? So see the example. So they have given us all capital letters. They have given us all the capital letters. So you have to write small letters for this capital letters. What is this? Capital A. What is this? Small a. So what is this? Capital B. What is the small letter for this capital B? B. So capital C, small c. Capital D, small d. Capital E, small e. Capital F, small f. Capital G, small z. Capital H, small h. Capital I, small I. Capital J, small j. Capital K, small k. Capital L, small l. Capital M, small m. Okay. So capital O, small o. Capital P, small p. Capital Q, small q. Capital R, small r. Capital S, small s. Capital T, small t. Capital U, small u. Capital V, small v. Capital W, small w. So what is the small letter for capital X? Small x. Capital Y and small y. Capital Y. How you have to write small letters for capital Z? S. Capital Z and small z. So see. So what you have to write the small letter for each capital letter in the boxes given us. In the boxes we have given us all the capital letters from A to Z. So we have to write small letters for these capital letters. So see, here they have given us a fun exercise. It is so funny. See, join the dots from small a to Z and color the picture. So have you liked coloring the picture? Have you liked this exercise? It is so funny. See, here small a and small b. We have to connect this line. What comes after small b? Small c. What comes after small c? Small d. What comes after small d? Small e. Like this, you have to connect the dots. You have to connect the dots in the exercise. Okay. And you have to color this picture. So see children, so how many letters we have in alphabet? 26 letters, right? In this 26 letters, we have 5 vowels and remaining 21 are consonants. See, there are 5 special letters in the alphabet family. They are A, E, I, O and U. You have already know that A, E, I, O, U are called vowels and the other letters are called consonants. Okay, we have 26 letters. Right, in that A, E, I, O, U are vowels. Why only A, E, I, O, U are the vowels? Because it has 2 sounds. A, E, I, O, U can be pronounced in 2 ways, but the rest of all the letters can be pronounced in only 1 way. So A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. The letters other than A, E, I, O, U are called consonants. What are the letters other than A, E, I, O, U? B, C, D, F, G, H J K L M N P Q R S T V W X Y and Z are called as consonants. A E I O U are called as vowels. Let us do this one exercise. Fill in a vowel. To complete the each word, use capital letter. So we have to use capital letter for filling these blanks. F dash X. What is this? What is this animal? Yeah, it is fox. So what is the spelling of fox? F O X. O is a vowel. O is a vowel. We have to fill this blank by using vowel only. Okay, by using vowel only. So what is the first blank? F O X, fox. See the next one. What could be this? N dash S T. N dash S T. Which vowel comes in this blank? Which vowel comes? A. It could be A, N-A-S-T, nest. Wrong. Is it could be E? S. N-E-S-T. Nest. Which vowel comes in this blank? E. N-E-S-T. Nest. See, you have to use capital letter to fill this blank. And this blank should be vowel. The letter comes in this blank should be vowel. B dash Y. Which vowel comes here? Does it A, B, A, Y, B, or E, B, E, Y, B, or I, B, I, Y, by? No, it is O, B, O, Y, boy, B, O, Y, boy. So see, what is this? Insect. Yeah, it is ant. It is ant. A-N-T, ant. A is a vowel. See the next one. What is this? Yeah, this is a cat. What is the spelling of cat? C-A-T, cat. And A is a vowel. What is this? Duck. D-U-C-K, duck. D-U-C-K, duck. So see, F-O-X, fox, N-E-S-T, nest, B-O-Y, boy, A-N-T, ant, C-A-T, cat, D-U-C-K, duck. So children, today's homework is you have to fill page number 6 and page number 5. Okay, you have to write with good handwriting. You have to write this homework in this grammar book itself. Okay, thank you.